Assalamu alaikum everyone. Peace be upon you all and welcome back to my channel Hyderabadi Cook in Canada. In this video we'll be showing you how to make two drinks, Falooda and Lassi. For this recipe you will need jello, chopped pistachios, malanga, sugar according to your taste, ruafza, and 2 glasses of milk, and thick saviya. To a pan, add milk and let it boil. Once the milk is boiled, add saviya. Once the saviya are cooked, add sugar according to your taste. To serve the Falooda, add malanga in a glass. Next to the glass, add some jelly. Add the saviya. Then add 1 scoop of ice cream over top. Next, drizzle some ruafza over top of your Falooda. Lastly, add some crushed pistachios over top. Next, we'll be showing you how to make lassi. For this recipe, you will need sugar according to your taste, 1 cup of whipped cream, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of ice, 1 glass of milk, and ruafza. First, to make the lassi, add yogurt, and whipped cream, and sugar according to your taste. Next, add in some ruafza according to your taste. And mix it all together. Lastly, add some ice and keep it in the fridge. Pour the lassi into a glass and it's ready to serve. These are our Ramadan special drink. They are best served cold and it's perfect for Iftari time. Hope you guys enjoy these recipes and try them out. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!